Keyframe and skeletal animation, blending and interpolation. Keyframe animation. Definition. Keyframe animation involves defining specific keyframes within an animation sequence and then letting the software generate the intermediate frames twinning. Usage. Commonly used in 2D and 3D animations to create smooth transitions between distinct poses or states. Benefits. Provide greater control over animations. Allow animators to specify exact points of change. Drawbacks. Can require more manual input and artistic judgment. May need additional refinement for complex animations. Keyframe animation is a technique where specific frames, called keyframes, are defined within an animation sequence. These keyframes represent important points in the animation, such as changes in position, rotation, scale, or other attributes of objects or characters. The software then generates the intermediate frames, a process known as twinning, to create smooth transitions between the keyframes. This technique is commonly used in both 2D and 3D animations to achieve fluid motion and realistic movement by specifying keyframes. Animators have greater control over the animation, allowing them to define exact points of change and manipulate the timing and trajectory of objects of characters. One of the main benefits of keyframe animation is the level of control. It offers animators they can precisely design the movement of elements within the animation, resulting in polished and professional-looking sequences. However, keyframe animation also has its drawbacks. It often requires a significant amount of manual input and artistic judgment to determine the placement and timing of keyframes. Animators must carefully consider factors such as timing, pacing, and pacing to ensure that transitions between keyframes appear natural and seamless. Skeletal animation. Definition. Skeletal animation involves creating a skeletal structure, a series of interconnected bones or joints that drives the movement of a character or object. Usage. Commonly used in 3D character animation, game design, and CGI for movies. Benefits. Allow for complex animation with the reaching process makes animating characters and objects more manageable. Drawbacks. Requires a rigging process to set up a skeletal complex. Things can be challenging to manage and debug. Skeletal animation is a technique used in various fields like 3D character animation, game design, and CGI movies. It revolves around creating a skeletal structure composed of interconnected bones or joints, which serve as the framework dividing the movement of characters or objects within a digital movement. One of the primary benefits of skeletal animation is its ability to facilitate the creation of intricate movement while simplifying the rigging process. By establishing a skeleton for characters or objects, animators can manipulate their motion more efficiently, resulting in smoother and more realistic animations. This streamlined approach also enhances the manageability of animating complex scenes. However, besides its advantages, skeletal animation must come with its shape drawbacks. Setting up the skeleton initially requires a rigging process, which can be time-consuming and demand specialized skills. Additionally, managing and debugging complex rigs, especially those with numerous bones and joints, can present significant challenges for animations. Blending. Definition. Blending involves combining multiple animations to create seamless transition or make effects. Often used in video games to transition between different character animation smoothly from walking to running. Techniques. Linear blending. A simple method where two animations are mixed in a linear fashion based on a given animation layers. Using multiple layers of animation to blend and mix effects. Benefits. Enables smooth transitions, allows flawless animation behaviors with simple input. Drawbacks requires careful blending to avoid unnatural transitions can be emotionally expensive. These are several techniques involved in blending animations. Number 1. Linear blending. This is a straightforward method where two animations are mixed together in a linear manner based on a specific weight. For instance, it's transitioning from a walking animation to a running animation, and the weight might gradually shift from the walking animation to the running animation as the character speed increases. Number 2. Animation layers. This involves using multiple layers of animation to blend and mix effects. Each layer can represent different aspects of the character's movement or actions, such as body movement, facial expressions, or clothing dynamics. By blending these layers together, developers can create complex and realistic animations. The benefits of blending animations include smooth transitions. Blending allows for smooth transitions between different animations, enhancing the overall realism and fluidity of character movements. Complex behaviors. Besides being relatively simple to implement from a user input perspective, blending animations can facilitate complex animation behaviors, making characters appear more lifelike and dynamic. However, blending animations also come with some drawbacks. Carefully blending required. Achieving natural looking transitions requires careful turning of blending parameters to avoid abrupt or unnatural movements. Computational expense. Blending animations can be computationally expensive, especially when dealing with large numbers of animations or complex characters rigs. This can impact performance, particularly in resource-constrained environments such as video games.